What if I told you that the best scientific biceps workout for size and shape at the gym can be achieved in just a few simple steps? Whether you're just starting or have been training for a while, using science-backed techniques can help you maximize growth and efficiency. Hit the subscribe button for more. Today, we'll dive into the ultimate biceps workout routine that combines the best arm exercises and dumbbell biceps workouts to get you bigger, stronger arms. Biceps are one of the most noticeable muscles when it comes to overall arm size and strength. Everyone wants well-developed, defined biceps, but what's the most effective way to build them? In this video, we'll cover the best biceps exercises, how to perform them for maximum gains, and how to avoid common mistakes that could be holding you back. We'll be using simple, beginner-friendly exercises with dumbbells, making it perfect for anyone looking to increase their arm size and shape at the gym. This workout is designed to target both heads of the biceps, the long head and the short head, as well as the brachialis, which lies underneath your biceps and pushes them out to make your arms look bigger. The exercises included are scientifically proven to maximize biceps activation for growth and shape. By focusing on the best arm workouts, you'll not only build bigger biceps but also create a balanced, aesthetic look. Let's dive into the workout. 1. Dumbbell bicep curls, 4 sets of 10-12 reps. The classic dumbbell bicep curl remains one of the best arm exercises to build mass and shape in your biceps. This exercise directly targets the biceps brachii, and using dumbbells allows for a greater range of motion and isolated muscle contraction. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand with your palms facing forward. Keep your elbows close to your torso as you curl the weights up towards your shoulders. Squeeze at the top for a second, then slowly lower the dumbbells back down. Pro tip: control the movement on the way down for maximum muscle engagement. This is one of the best biceps exercises for beginners, as it's simple yet highly effective. 2. Hammer curls, 3 sets of 10-12 reps. Hammer curls are great for hitting the brachialis and the brachioradialis, which will help give your arms a thicker, more muscular appearance. They're one of the best biceps exercises with dumbbells to complement standard curls. Here's how to do it. Hold a dumbbell in each hand with your palms facing each other, neutral grip. Curl the weights up towards your shoulders while keeping your elbows fixed at your sides. Lower the weights slowly back down. Pro tip: make sure you're not swinging the weights or using momentum. Control is key. Hammer curls are an essential part of any best arm workout because they help build both size and strength in the upper arms. 3. Concentration curls, 3 sets of 8-10 reps, each arm. Concentration curls are highly effective for isolating the biceps and really focusing on the contraction, helping to shape the muscle. This is one of the best bicep workouts for size and shape, especially for beginners. Here's how to do it. Sit on a bench with your legs spread apart. Rest the back of your arm against your inner thigh while holding a dumbbell in your hand. Curl the weight up towards your shoulder, focusing on squeezing the biceps. Slowly lower the dumbbell back down, keeping tension on the muscle. Pro tip: avoid letting your body lean back or using momentum. This should be a controlled and slow movement. If you want to know how to build big biceps with dumbbells, concentration curls are a must. Curl the dumbbells towards your shoulders, keeping your elbows locked in place. This workout is one of the best bicep workouts for size and shape, particularly if you're a beginner looking to make the most out of your gym sessions. By focusing on form, control, and progressive overload, you'll see steady progress in both the size and shape of your biceps. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to this routine, increase the weights gradually, and you'll be well on your way to achieving bigger, stronger arms. Combine these exercises with a proper nutrition plan, and you'll maximize your muscle growth in no time. Now that you've got the best scientific workout for bigger biceps, it's time to hit the gym and put it to the test. Don't forget to subscribe for more workout tips, hit the like button if you found this valuable, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Let's build those biceps together.